In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the user ID in Hubspot. Let's start by opening a web browser and navigating to the Hubspot website. Once you're at the Hubspot homepage, you're going to want to find the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and you'll be directed to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Make sure to input your email and password correctly to avoid any login issues. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the Hubspot home. This is the hub for all your HubSpot activities and tools. From here, look towards the top of the screen and you should notice a section for your profile. It's often depicted with an icon or your profile picture if you have already set one. Go ahead and click on Profile. This will open up a drop down or a new page with several options related to your HubSpot account management. Within the profile settings, search for the account section. This section holds information pertinent to your user settings and details. When you find account, click on it to access the account settings. This is where HubSpot stores key information about your user specifics, including the user ID which we're trying to locate. Once you are in the account settings, take a look around for user details. Right here, among other pieces of information, you should see your user ID displayed. The user ID is typically a unique identifier associated with your HubSpot account. It helps in identifying your actions and configurations within the platform, especially useful for administrative tasks or when dealing with customer support. And there you have it, a simple way to find your user ID in HubSpot. Remember, keeping this kind of information handy can be incredibly helpful, particularly when configuring integrations or troubleshooting issues. Be sure to keep your HubSpot credentials private and secure. If you need any additional help or encounter any issues, feel free to consult HubSpot's Help Center or contact their support for further assistance. Now you've mastered yet another handy feature in HubSpot. Thanks for watching and happy HubSpotting.